Some of the users who's got this Motorola phone frequently have this issue that their top and bottom speaker plays crackling, rattling, or kind of buzzing sound. This happens when there is music playing, there is ringtone, even in call. And for some of them, it comes and goes, like happens for certain music or videos. So in this video, we're going to share some tips with you that you can fix this problem. Although we're using Motorola Edge 50 Fusion for this video, but this will work on any other Moto series phone like e.g. Stylus or Razr running on Android 15. Now, this might happen for any stored dust, debris, or water in the speaker section due to any software or, in rare cases, hardware-related reason. Now, first of all, I'll remind you that if you frequently hear music in max out volume on your device, eventually this might happen. Try to keep your volume at a balanced position. Now, if that's not your issue, now what you can do is, if you use any front or back cover with your Motorola, first just go ahead, take it off. Now what you can do is just clean this top ear speaker and the bottom one as well with a dry brush or a dust blower, whatever is available to you. Now, if it recently came in contact with water of any kind, after cleaning it up, just go ahead and leave it for a while so the moist can dry out. Now guys, sometimes a crackling noise can happen just for any software glitches. So in that case, whenever it starts happening, just go ahead and give your Motorola a simple restart. A restart can solve this type of minor glitch. Now, if it happens during call, one of the users has shared this trick that just go ahead, open up settings and search for Cristal Talk AI. Enter. And if it's enabled on your device, just go ahead, disable it. And then see if that solves your problem or not. Now, if this problem still persists, sometimes some customized device or app settings might cause this problem as well. So for that, open up settings once again. And now search for reset. Go to reset options, to the reset options settings first. We're gonna the reset app preferences on our device. Don't worry, this will not delete any data. And if your problem is still there, after that, from the same section, go ahead, reset device settings. This will not delete any data as well. We'll just reset some customized settings that you might have done that's causing this problem. That's all. So all the process we've shown you so far is enough to solve this crackling sound on your Motorola. If it didn't, it might be some hardware issue. So we recommend you to contact some trusted hardware specialist or contact Motorola support. Thanks for watching.